Impromptu speaking. These are those unexpected moments that happen when you're called upon to speak somewhere. It could happen in a number of ways. Stop right now and think about, where might I be asked to speak on the spot? Can you think of any? How about a job interview when you are given a question and on the spot you have to think of a well-formulated answer? Perhaps you're in a sales pitch and you know the product, but you are on the spot told to give a pitch for the product. Maybe you're asked to speak a tribute for someone at a wedding or an event and you are asked to say a few words. Impromptu speaking can happen in the professional world and in our everyday lives. So how do you prepare to speak well in an impromptu setting? Here's what you do. You go back to what you know. You know how to make an outline. You know how many main points equal a well-formulated speech. You know that at the beginning, you need an attention getter. You go to what you know, because in impromptu settings, you are given limited time, if any, to come up with your speech. So, what happens in an introduction? We grab their attention, we reveal what the topic is, we show credibility, and we preview what we're about to talk about. There you go. That's it. You know how to do that. Then you use a connective phrase to go on to your first main point. And by clearly organizing and having clear main points, you are going to eliminate wasted time in the limited amount of time you have to prepare. You know, I need to talk about this main point here, this main point here, this main point there. You know what to talk about. And sometimes you may not have the ability to have well-formulated notes up there with you. So having clear main points is going to help you in your speaking to know what you're talking about, when you're talking about it, and how to move on to the next thing. So clear main points. And then you end just like you would normally. Have a conclusion. Review what you talked about, and since you have clear main points, you know how to clearly and easily review, and end with some lasting statement. When you are asked to speak in an impromptu way, you go back to what you know. You format as quick as you can, you build as quick as you can, but you remain calm because you know how to create a speech. That's what you do in an impromptu setting.